Hey, all right. So I have a problem for you. People are always saying to me, when am I ever going to use math in the real world? Well, here's a math problem that I'm actually dealing with right now. So it's kind of relevant. I have a dog. It's an old dog. And he doesn't handle new food very well. He eats the same food all the time, right? So my in-laws gave me this huge bucket of dog food for free. Because they bought it for their dog, and I don't know, their dog doesn't like it or something, so they just give it to me. It's good dog food, but I'm a little nervous about just giving it to my old dog because the abrupt change in food is bad for him. Like the last time that I did that to him, he threw up everywhere, so it was a big mess. So what I want to do is I want to mix the dog food in kind of slowly, and maybe start out with a real, low mix, and then sort of, make the mix stronger and stronger as we go along, and use up this old dog food. And maybe I'll taper it off at the end. So, anyways. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start out with a mix. We've got old food, and we've got new food. And I'm going to mix 5 cups, and I have a 1 cup measuring cup that I'm using for this. I have 5 cups of old food and 1 cup of new food. Okay, so 5 cups old food, 1 cup of new food. Then I thought, well, after he gets used to that, if he's all right with that, then I'm going to bump it up to 4 cups of old food to 1 cup of new food. All right, so it's going to be a little bit stronger because there's a little less old dog food in this mix. All right, the same amount of new dog food, so it's a little bit of a stronger mix. I thought, maybe that's too much. Maybe I don't want to jump in there. So I want to find something in the middle. Something in the middle, in between the two. It's a little bit stronger than 5-to-1, but not quite as strong as 4-to-1. Now, here's the thing, though. I don't want to mix like a ton of dog food. So I was looking here. Where did I put that? Okay. I could mix, and I wrote this down over here. I could mix, for example, 499 cups of old dog food to 101 cups of new dog food. And that would be a mix that would be slightly stronger than 5-to-1 and not quite as strong as 4-to-1. But that's like a crazy amount of dog food. That would use up like all the dog food I have, probably plus some, right? What I want is to make the smallest batch possible that's stronger than 5-to-1, but not as strong as 4-to-1. The smallest batch I can come up with. Now, to get full credit for this, you need to find it. You need to show that it is stronger than 5-to-1, but not as strong as 4-to-1. So explain how you know that, and explain how you know that it's the smallest batch. All right. Your answer doesn't necessarily have to be. I'll accept answers that are incorrect if the justification is there. So if you explain why you think your answer is correct, why you think you found a mix that's in between 5-to-1 and 4-to-1, and if you explain why you think that is the smallest batch that could possibly be made with a 1 cup measuring cup that falls in between those two. The explanation needs to be, mathematically based. You can't say that angels came down and told you that, right? So good luck.